Looking for the best protein powders to fuel your fitness goals? In this video, we break down the top options for men, whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose weight, or boost recovery. Our channel delivers quality reviews daily to help you make informed choices on the best products. Stick around to find the perfect protein powder for your needs. Number 1. Naked Whey Chocolate Protein Powder. Protein powders can be expensive, but we like that Naked Nutrition Chocolate Whey Protein Powder is one of the more affordable options without sacrificing quality. It's a higher price initially, but the 5-pound container has 60 servings, making it a budget-friendly choice. We love that this powder has just 3 simple ingredients: whey protein concentrate, organic coconut sugar, and organic cacao powder. We thought it tasted like chocolate milk and didn't have an overwhelming flavor. This protein powder is Informed Choice certified, so it is tested for ingredient accuracy and lack of contaminants. Amy Archer, RDN, CLT, CHWC, owner of Wellness RD, likes that each serving has 25 grams of protein and 5.9 grams of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, with no additives or artificial sweeteners. Number 2. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder. Optimum Nutrition Whey contains 24 grams of whey protein in a scoop, which is great for building muscle. This pick uses a blend of whey isolate, concentrate, and hydrolyzed whey, with the isolate having the highest concentration of protein compared to the other types of whey. Whey isolate is also typically easier to digest and absorb due to having less lactose. Having a blend means you get a combination of fast and slow digesting proteins, enhanced muscle recovery, and a more balanced nutritional profile. If you're looking to explore flavors beyond chocolate and vanilla, Optimum Nutrition Whey has 20 flavors to choose from, including unique flavors like Rocky Road, Chocolate Mint, Cinnamon Roll, and more. Number 3. Aura Organic So Lean and So Clean. Aura Organic So Lean and So Clean is a USDA organic plant-based protein powder that contains a combination of pea and rice protein with 21 grams of protein per serving. In addition to protein, it contains an organic greens and grains blend that adds antioxidants and nutrients, including 33% daily value of iron. It contains no added sugars and is instead sweetened with stevia and monk fruit. We like the vanilla chai, and the taste is accurate to what is advertised on the packaging. Although we thought this flavor might pair really well with plant-based milk, we only tested it in water. If you love the taste of vanilla chai tea, we think you'll love this product. We found that this product was not clumpy and did not have an unpleasant aftertaste. However, we noticed a little bit of separation and some clumps of protein powder sticking to the side of the cup. Number 4. Ritual Essential Vegan Plant-Based Protein Powder. We like that Ritual Daily Shake 50 Plus is specifically designed for those over 50 years old. Sarcopenia, another term for loss of muscle mass due to aging, is an extremely common process and people get on in years, but getting enough protein and exercising throughout aging can lower your risk for sarcopenia, too. Each serving provides 20 grams of protein, is vegan-friendly, and contains a specific nutrient that may help maintain muscle with aging: calcium beta-hydroxy-beta-methylbutyrate, HMB, 3. Besides the protein and HMB, you also get per serving 15% DV iron, 28% DV calcium, and 36% DV choline, a nutrient needed for brain health and muscle control, Pump 4. This product is both Informed Sport certified and Informed Protein certified, meaning it is tested for ingredient accuracy, potential contaminants, and banned athletic substances. In addition, Ritual has traceable ingredients. You know where each ingredient comes from. Lastly, besides the ingredients and independent verification, we like the taste and texture of this vanilla protein powder. It blends well in water, but we really like it blended as part of a smoothie. It adds a subtle but not overpowering sweetness. Number 5. Dimetize Whey Protein Powder. Dimetize ISO 100 Whey Protein Powder is another choice we highly recommend for your post-workout shake because it offers 25 grams of whey protein isolate per serving and is Informed Choice certified. If you want to change it up from the traditional vanilla and chocolate, we love the chocolate peanut butter flavor. It has a pleasant taste and smell that reminded us of Reese's Cup, and we were surprised at how much we loved the taste of this product. If you're looking for an even more decadent flavor, we think this would pair really well with milk for a creamy finish and an extra protein boost. The chocolate peanut butter flavor seemed perfectly balanced to us. With very little aftertaste, the protein powder dissolved well, and the texture poured smoothly and was easy to drink. We think the peanut butter and chocolate combo would mix well into oatmeal or protein pancakes.